Hello everyone, in this video we will see how we can connect biometric device to our Worksuite application. So let's get started. So for that, hope you have installed the biometric module. That is very straightforward. Just go to the settings and go to modules, and from here click on install and update module. Just drag and drop the downloaded files that you got from the Code Canyon and click install, and then it will be available to the left side here. So the first step that you have to check is that your ZK Tico device must be compatible with ADMS. What does I mean by ADMS is your device must have the connectivity with the internet, and it can push the data to the server. Means for checking that, what you can do is you can simply visit menu, then communication, and then see if there is any cloud server setting or with some other name. In that, there must be an option to set the URL of the application. So here I have shared the screenshot also. Means if you visit menu, communication, cloud server setting, you will be getting this kind of a interface like this. So here server mode by default is ADMS. You just have to enable the domain, and in the server address just enter the domain which is server which is shown here. After that, once that is done and checked, you just have to visit to add biometric device, and here the first is device name. You can write any device name. For now I am writing ZK Tico, and here you will have to enter the serial number of your device. This should match exactly the serial number which is printed on your device. So for that, you can go to access the menu, go to the menu, and from here select the system info, and from system info click on device info, and in the device info you will get the serial number. Here is the serial number. Just copy it and paste here, and after that click save. And after doing this, it will wait for the device connection to be established. For doing that, just visit your device and click some random buttons on that, and doing so it will establish the connection, and then you are good to go. So once the device gets online, you will see the message of connection established. So once this is done, that means both the application and the biometric devices are now connected. The next step will be click on push employees to the devices. Now select all these employees and push all these employees to your biometric device. But if you already have the employees on your device, what you have to do is just go click cancel and click on employee mapping, and here you have to enter the biometric user ID of your employee on the device. For this case, like it is Tore Telmer, you have to enter the device user ID assigned to that. Similarly this, and click save at the end. And if your device is completely fresh and do not have any kind of a data, you can simply visit the devices, click on push employees to devices, and select and click confirm. And now you can click here to see if these commands are executed or not. By commands I mean these commands are now pushed to the device, and one by one it will be executed to your server. Once it's executed, you will see the status of every row from pending to sent, then from sent to executed. Once executed means employees are now created on the device also, and you will also see the biometric IDs are mapped. Once the mapping is done, you just have to open your biometric device and punch in. and after punching you will simply see the punch in record right away here. So hope everything is clear to you. If you still have any queries, please write down and the team will respond to that. Thank you.